Ito, heating up at our 8th spot, senators want LGUs to put more effort into spaying or neutering stray animals to control their population. The details in this report by Camille Samonte.
Senators questioned the lack of a proper system for anti-rabies vaccination and neutering or spaying of dogs and cats in the country. In a Senate hearing regarding the Animal Welfare Act, the group Biaya Animal Care said only a few government units have funds for animal birth control and anti-rabies. The group says taking care of stray dogs and cats are not among the priorities of LGUs, and that's why many non-government organizations are using their own funds to shoulder expenses for these initiatives to avoid animal cruelty and to stop the dog meat trade.
We need to incentivize the LCEs to fund it some more. And I understand that the LGU level, they have many different priorities, and often the dogs is the last priority. So right now, there are LGUs that have almost no rabies vaccines, and very few have the ability to do kapon.
The Senate is conducting hearings on amendments to the Animal Welfare Act, which aims to strengthen protection and care even for stray animals. This follows multiple reports of neglect, abuse, or killing of dogs and cats. Funds for anti-rabies vaccination this year is at 10 million pesos, but the Bureau of Animal Industry says that there have been no funds for anti-rabies vaccination in the past 3 years, and it has only been returned this year. Senators agree that anti-rabies vaccinations should be prioritized not only to help animals but also to avoid rabies cases among humans. They also believe that neutering or spaying stray animals should be a regular program among LGUs.
Dapat para ring mga tao, we do population control, especially for the poor, kasi they won't have money to feed the dogs and cats born out of their dogs and cats.
Strays lack proper care or vaccinations. Rabies is most common in countries where stray dogs are present in large numbers. The Philippines is in fact ranked 6th among countries with the highest rabies incidence in the world.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.
Yeah, please educate us, Angel.
Alin?
Yung may fun facts ka about...
Hindi. Pag spay kasi, ibig sabihin, removal ng ovaries ng any female animal.
So, female animal is
Pag
spay.
spaying.
Okay.
Pag neuter, yan ay naman na removal ng testes ng ng lalaki.
Removal of the
animal.
balls of the animal
Oo.
cat. Oo.
So, yun yung pagkakaiba niya. Pero ang goal nun is to control the population.
Yes.
Diba? Ito nga, nung mga
And not only that, but
stray
you have to
animals.
recognize...
Not just stray animals, but also kung yung sa ano mo rin.
There are health benefits.
Yeah.
For example, sa cats pa lang, certain cancers daw or viruses hindi na nagiging lethal when you neuter them or spay them. Sabi ng
Yes.
may
Vet.
listahan doon sa, and I remember yung cat natin what do you call it? Nagpa-neuter.
Nagpa-neuter. Kasi
So may mga
lalaki.
naiwasan siyang sakit because neutered na siya.
Yun.
Yun lang nga, sumusungit ang mga pusa.
O, ang ano naman nun, ang kumbaga ibang side effects naman nun, they
Mataba.
gain weight eh. Tapos, ano pa yun, natatamad na sila.
Oo.
Oo. Sa iba ha, ewan ko dun sa iba. Pero sa atin yun yung ating experience.
Ako hindi ako.
Na-neuter na pa
Sabi
kita.
ko na nga ba? Napa-neuter na ako.
Papaneuter ko na si Jack.
Narinig nyo lahat yun, ha? Pag di ako pumasok ng ilang araw,
Napaneuter na siya.
doon ako sa Quezon City Circle kasi doon ang libre eh.
Pero hindi, seriously speaking, dapat talaga magawa din yan. Dahil kawawa din yung mga animals, di ba?
Okay. Let's move on.
Tsaka tumataas yung kaso ng rabies sa atin. Hindi yun maganda. Bakit?
Naisip pa, pa-neuter mo ako. Bakit? Carlo, oh.